go to launchpad.kommunitas.net. 2. Scroll down and click on Participate. 3. You can see the status of the project at the right corner of the project's card. Its registration period, preparation period, Booster 1, Booster 2, or FCFS. 4. Connect your wallet. 5. Connect to your Phantom wallet. If you don't have a Phantom wallet, you can install the extension at phantom.app. 6. Click on Update Solana address. 7. Please make sure to always increase gas fee to speed up your transaction. 8. Please wait until the transaction completed. 9. Click on Approve. 10. Please read and agree to Kommunitas Launchpad terms and conditions before you make any purchase. 11. Enter the amount of USDC Polygon that you wish to participate or swap.